Hi everyone, and welcome to Hi Valley Couponer. So today I am here with a couponing story time, and if you've been following me for a little bit, you saw my fall video schedule, little update, how this was going to be on the first month. We're going to do a couponing story time about something crazy that's happened to me or something really cool that's happening with couponing. I'm loving it. I really am enjoying the story time videos. Y'all never heard this one before, so this is, yeah, you read the title right. No coupons after dark. And that's a rule at this one crazy Walmart. Legitimate. Like, I can't believe it. I was, like, taken aback by it. When I saw it, I was like, you are kidding right now. So, alright, so really funny story. Well, it's not really funny, but at the time it was kind of scary. But we were going to a Christmas lights thing. A Christmas lights display at the Creation Museum. It's a Christian museum place, but they're actually putting on a really cool lights display. So we were going to that in Cincinnati, and we were on the way to Cincinnati, and our car did this really wacky thing where the alternator actually was like, I don't know, they needed a new battery, but I think it's some other alternator, and it was like going to legit die on the side of the road. But thankfully, we called the car dealership, and they told us about this dealership in Cincinnati that we could take the car to, and they'd service it. So we took it to this place by Kings Island called McCluskey's or something like that, and they fixed it up. But it took them 2 days, and it was right before Christmas too. So yeah, so the guy at the car dealership was like, well, this isn't going to get done tonight. You guys are going to be stuck here all night. And so they gave us a rental. I think they're really nice. Actually, let's just drive a rental car. It's really good. So that was the fanciest car dealership I'd ever been to. It was so cool. But anyways, they were like, you guys can drive this rental car. So we got to go to the Creation Museum and do all that. But we were stranded in Cincinnati with no toothpaste, no deodorant, no razors, nothing like that, y'all. Nothing. I had my coupons. Y'all know I took those, but always take your coupons, right? Always. And so we were in Cincinnati looking for a place to get the stuff we needed just to survive the night in Cincinnati. And so we went to Walmart and got all our supplies and just stuff we needed. It was heartbreaking. I had to pay 80 cents for toothpaste. I was like, no! Now I should just travel with emergency toothpaste. Even it was just supposed to be a day trip. It wasn't supposed to be an overnight trip. We were just going there and back that day. So, but I should have still brought some emergency toothpaste just in case. But, yeah. So, anyways, I go to this Walmart, get my stuff. I don't think I did have any coupons that day because it was just cheaper to buy generic. And that was crazy to me, but it was. No coupons. I didn't have coupons. I wasn't a victim here. We go to the self-checkout register, and there are signs all over it saying, no coupons after dark, or no coupons after 7, or something ridiculous like that. I could not even believe that was their sign. I was like, what? No coupons after dark? What's that even mean? No coupons... They wouldn't allow coupons at night. No coupons at night. Like, why? I don't get it. They would not let their people use coupons at night. Did they think the night workers weren't able to do coupons? I could not believe it. They would not take coupons at dark after night. Do any of you know of any other Walmarts that do this? Or any store? Because that's like ridiculous. But I saw that sign and I was like, what the world? I feel bad for the people in, was it Mason? It was somewhere in that Cincinnati metro or whatever. But no coupons after dark. Maybe it was Forest Park or something. I don't know. I'm trying to remember where it was. I'm thinking we ate at a Red Lobster in Forest Park. And so the hotel had to be near that. So the Walmart had to be near that. I'm sorry. I'm trying to give you Cincinnati people. If there's any Cincinnati people, let me know. I'm trying to give you guys a mental picture. I think it was there in Forest Park, now that I think of it, or around there, something like that. But it was crazy. I'd never seen a Walmart like that, and it was the weirdest Walmart, too. It was a weird Walmart. It was a super center. I know it was a super center, but it was just so weirdly laid out. It just was weird, and the whole environment was weird. That's why I don't branch out of my little local stores. I don't go to the Kroger in the next town. I don't go to the Walmart really in the next town. I go to my local stores because I know what to expect. So yeah, no coupons after dark. Not one. So I don't know. If you had a coupon and you wanted to use it, would the system not even let you scan it? I don't know. That was weird. No coupons after dark. So yeah, that's all I have for this fun little couponing story time. Please let me know what you thought. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.